In the serial Pardes Mein Hai Mera Dil, Naina will now take more care of Raghav. She will straighten his hair too. Where Raghav, feeling suspicious and scared by this idea, will try to hide from her. But after all, Naina is Naina. She does what she decides. And when Raghav gets ready, she also offers him curd, as per the tradition. But let us tell you why she is doing all this. It's because Raghav has an interview today. And just to make him look particular for the interview, she is doing all this. Isn't Naina proving to be a perfect wife? Don't you feel the same? What do you have to say on this? Do reply in the comment box below. And for more such TV updates, don't forget to subscribe our channel TV Prime Time.